What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Life Equals Lemons, and I have hopefully a fantastic video for you today. I will need my glasses because I'm going to be showing you a little piece of paper here. Hopefully I will be able to get close up. Sorry about all the mess behind, but I am desperately trying to find good lighting in order to do my videos. So anyway, here we are in my daughter's old bedroom. She is no longer here with us. She's married and off to other places, but anyways, still have some of her stuff. Maybe some of you still have your children's stuff. But anyhow, the light's pretty good in here, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So today we're talking about my daily block schedule. So this is one of the things that I picked up actually from another YouTuber. Her name is Jordan, and she does this because she has a bazillion kids, and she has a very, very busy YouTube channel, and her husband has his own business, and there's a lot going on. So in order to keep herself on track, shall we say, throughout the day, I am also in the process of trying to keep myself on track, and you probably are too. Now, this is a really, really good thing, no matter, I don't care really what age you are, or if you're a kid, if you're in school, like middle school or high school. So let me just go over what we've got here. So throughout the day, I have blocks of time in each one of these actually categories right here over across the top. So if you can see, for instance, block 1 is 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. And then block 2 is 9 to noon. And then we go noon to 3 and 3 to 6. And your blocks of time may look completely different than mine. But here's what happens. Because we know that every single day is not going to be exactly the same. Things are going to change. But throughout each block of time, you can say, all right, so this is the block where I wake up and I make my bed. And then I'm going to go downstairs and make coffee, and so on and so forth. These are the things that I do within that block. Then when I get to 9 o'clock, and by the way, there is a little go take a walk at 8 a.m. So I do actually put exercise in there. But then it's okay, at 9 o'clock, I'm done with my first block. I'm done with whatever I'm getting done there. Now, do I take a walk every single day? No, not every single day. But I do wake up and make my bed every single day. So there are some things that you're going to definitely do every day, and other things are going to change. So my next one is, there we go. I'm going to shower. I'm going to what is that? I can't see it. Sorry. Oh, brush teeth, get dressed, make breakfast, clean up the kitchen. There's all kinds of things I do there, including time for phone calls, work, shopping appointments, and errands. Now, shopping appointments and errands are not something that happen every single day, but I've got them blocked out. Maybe work is going to take up more of that time, but then I know that at noon, it's time to make lunch, eat, clean up. I'm going to prep for dinner. I'm going to pick up my rooms and then check it out. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I have actually put down what I'm supposed to do chores-wise to get done. Now, most of the time, I'm pretty good at sticking with this. However, I do have a little caveat down here for Saturday. It says anything not done. So let's say, for instance, I have a doctor's appointment and it goes into the middle of the afternoon or early afternoon, and I'm running out of time because my next block starts at 3, and that's what I call my teaching block. I have the majority of my music students between 3 and 6 in the afternoon. Okay. Some of them go a little over 6. Sometimes I don't start right at 3 o'clock. Sometimes at 2:30, but it doesn't matter. At least I know, okay, look, this is the time of day where I am dedicating it to my students. I don't have anything else going on except for studio business. Then at 6 o'clock, I make dinner, I eat, I clean up, I get ready for bed, and I have TV time. I also brush my teeth, and here's the really, really big one. Ding, 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 right there. It says 8 o'clock, screens off. That doesn't mean TV. That means the iPad and or telephone are off. Off, off, off. Put them away. You don't need to do anything. I have a do not disturb from 10 p.m. until 7 a.m. every single day. And then here's the big one. This is really important. This actually probably should be its own block called sleep. Sleep is super important for all of this. So this is how I actually get through my day. And I actually have this hanging on my refrigerator with a magnet. And I will refer to it. Like I'll forget. Okay, let's see. Today's Tuesday. Oh, I have to do my dusting and get all the glass done in the house. So during my noon to 3 o'clock, after I'm done eating my lunch, I'm going to get my chores done before I have to start with my students. Now, will your life look like this? Probably not. Let's say, for instance, you have a morning block and then the next block is called work. So your block is going to be, maybe you're not going to need all 5 of these blocks. You may only need a few. By the way, you can get this at lifeequalslemons.com. I will also link it down below in the description box. Or if you like, nah, I don't like that. I hate purple. It's really ugly, or I don't need that many blocks or whatever. You know where you can go? You can go to Canva. You thought I was going to say something else. I wasn't going to say that. You can go to Canva and you can make your own. But if you don't want to, and you think, oh, okay, this looks good enough, feel free to change the colors or print it out in black and white or whatever you want to do. I just happen to like purple and gray, and I put my little black in there you can change the font, whatever you want to do. But the point is, this is a really good way to get you and your kids and everybody else in your household a kind of a little more, what do I want to say, organized and getting stuff done. Because that's kind of the whole point, isn't it? We're trying to get stuff done here. Yes, we are. Okay. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye.